Hi, everybody, and welcome to this session on lead links. And links are really a way to opt in without the form. It's just basically clicking on a link and it will automate signing up for a webinar or opting in for a freebie. So it's just another way to make it very easy for people to opt in to something. And the key with lead links is that you have to use it in conjunction with your email marketing service. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So we'll take a look at this real quick. It's a nifty little feature. And basically, you can use it to send out an email asking people to sign up for a webinar or something like that. So if you normally send out broadcast messages to alert your list, for instance, or your client's list to sign up for something, you could use one of these lead links. All they have to do is click on the link. They don't have to do anything else. They don't have to go to a page and put in their information. So it just makes things so much easier. So what are they? How are they used? And actually create one. So I've already kind of talked to you about what they are, but it's really just an opt-in link instead of an opt-in form. You can use it again for anything that you use a form for, except that it has to be used as an email within your email marketing system. So it's a very simple thing to do. Lead boxes allow you to, put in a link, but then it brings up the opt-in form. So this is a lead this is an opt-in link versus an opt-in box. So there is no box that appears. There is no entering of information. It simply adds them directly to the whatever it is they is. And how does it know who to add? It's because it is addressed to that specific person. So when you're using a lead link and they click on the link, what Lead Pages does is it pulls the information from within your email marketing system, and that's how it knows who clicked on the link. Okay. As I mentioned, you have to use them with email and you have to use it with your email provider only. So, and what I mean by, oops, I should say email marketing provider, excuse me, I'll have to fix that. Your email marketing provider. And your email marketing provider, again, would be Aweber, or in this instance, we've been using MailChimp, so we'll stick to that. And you can also use these for affiliate links. So if your clients have affiliates that do sales and promotions for them, this is a way for them to create a special link. And you could actually do this for them and provide them with the information, and they could use it in their system if they wanted. So that's kind of a little feature. So we're going to create one, and with lead links, you can also have a lead magnet, which we talked about a little bit earlier. So if, for instance, when they opt into your freebie, you could immediately send them your lead magnet, which again is your freebie. Because remember, you can do it directly from your website, but you can also do it from directly within Lead Pages. So, oops, here we go. So again, I'm on Lead Links. I'm going to hit Create New. Right, and it's very straightforward. You can obviously type it in. So let's say, okay, and then I can save it here. Okay, now I need to choose my integration. Okay, so I'm going to go with MailChimp. You can always hit reload. Okay, oops, I don't want that. I want MailChimp. Okay, there's my webinar. Right? Can I integrate with lead notifications? Yes or no? Remember, that's going to send the email address. Does it want to work with a web host? Yes or no? Okay, and then I hit customize. And then basically what you see over here is the instructions. So it really tells you what you need to do. So choose the email provider that you're sending this email to. Okay, copy this lead link and then paste it in your broadcast email. Okay, now what you can do, let me save that real quick. Notice once I selected in here, it gives me this. I basically copy and paste that into a broadcast message in MailChimp, for instance. And a couple other things real quick. You have the ability to redirect them to a thank you page. So if you have a specific thank you page you want them to go to, you would type the URL there, or you could just do the basic one there. Okay, and what I will do, just for giggles, is I'll go into MailChimp. Right, and let's say that I was going to send out a broadcast message. Just showing you this real quick. so you can see how it's used. So this would be a broadcast message. Okay, let me just grab one of these. Okay, and so I would actually go in here and, I would add my data. Then I would come in here and say, click here to register. And then I would actually link that. And voila, there it is. Okay, very simple, but that gives you the idea of how easy that would be. And so now I could send that out and it would have the link for them to register. They would click on it and it would automatically take them through and register them. Okay, simple, simple, not much to it. Okay, and then I can just exit out, right? And you do have analytics on here. You'll have the number of opt-ins from that link. You can also label just like anything else. Okay, so very, very simple to use. The only thing is you have to remember you have to use them with your email marketing system. You can also do lead magnets with this as well. And so your homework is just to create a simple lead link and and integrate it with MailChimp. Now, you don't necessarily need to take it over to MailChimp unless you want to, but I just want you to kind of walk through the steps to see how easy that is, right? We have one more we're going to talk about, which is called Lead Digits, which will be next. As always, if you need help, click on the button in the upper right-hand corner, send us an email, post in our private Facebook group, or comment below. Thanks for your time. See you next. Bye.